Hello everyone. So in the last tutorial we created a stored procedure, this one here, to return a result set, and so this time we're going to change it to look at adding input output parameters and also return values. So to pass a parameter into the SP, like if we wanted to search for a specific customer here, instead of just saying select top one, then we can pass in the customer ID to filter it by. So to do that, just up here at the top, after you've named your SP and before the as, you'll just want to write at customer ID int. So it's like you're declaring it as a variable, so you've got the at symbol, the name of the parameter, and then the data type of the parameter. And then now that we've done that, we can then pass an integer value into the stored procedure, and then we can use it then within the stored procedure. So I'm just going to change this top one to select star from TBL customer, where customer ID equals at customer ID. So if I just run this now, we can see that if I try to execute the stored procedure, it's expecting a parameter. To pass that parameter in, I can just put an integer value there. It is much better practice if I was to write it like this instead, to name the parameter. If you have multiple parameters in a stored procedure, then, well, you should just do it anyway, really. I'm just lazy sometimes. Let's have a look at outputs then now. So currently we are returning a result set here. But if we wanted to limit this to like specific values so that we could use this elsewhere, then we can also add output parameters so that the output will be returned as a parameter. To be honest, I don't really use this very often, but I figured that I should show it to you. So what we're going to do is, if we just declare surname O for output as varchar 50, and then let's exec stored procedure here, and then after the input I'm going to declare an output in the SP. I'll just call it surname in the SP, and so here we're going to say equals surname O, output. And then we'll just select, oh god, I can't even type, select at surname O. So, I mean, these are kind of useful, I guess, if you're passing parameters around a few different SPs. I suppose that's when this is useful. Oh, I've got exec twice there. So what we need to do in here is, after the input parameter here, we're just going to put a comma, and then we'll say at surname varchar 50 output there. Okay, and then within the stored procedure here, we just need to fill the variable here. So surname equals surname there. So if I just run this now and then run this, we can see here that the surname output is stored as our variable here, and then we can just select it here. So like if I was going to run another SP now, and I could then pass that as a parameter in, so I guess it's kind of useful there. So return value is the only thing left. So to be honest, I don't really use this that much either. I only personally use this if I'm like indicating success or fail of an SP. So you can say, like, you know, do these things in the SP and then return like 1 or 99 or whatever, so the calling app knows that if that value is returned, then it was successful. So to do that, let's just get rid of these we'll just go back to select star here, and then let's just say at the bottom like return 99. So if I run that, and then to have a look at that, we're just going to say, so declare at ret int, and then exec at ret equals, and then snick that, and then select ret. And we can see there that it's returning the result set and then 99, so that we know it was successful. Or you can even nest these in like certain sections of the form, so you know, like if it drops out at return 1, then it means something in particular, that kind of thing. So the next tutorial in this series is going to be views. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do like and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to add any comments below. Thank you for watching.